The red panda. The red panda lives in the forests of South Asia. It looks very different to the famous black and white giant panda. For a start, the red panda is much smaller. With its deep red fur and long, bushy tail, it looks more like a fox. Red pandas usually live alone, and they are very good climbers. Like the giant panda, they eat bamboo, as well as fruit and insects. Today, there are only 10,000 red pandas in the wild because people are destroying their habitat. Farmers cut down forests to grow crops. They use bamboo, the red panda's main food, for building materials and to feed livestock. Even worse, hunters kill the animal for its coat. We must do something, or the red panda will disappear forever. You can help the red panda by joining an organization that protects it. Sponsor a forest guardian who cares for them in the wild. Forest guardians work with local communities to protect this beautiful animal and its habitat. There are also wildlife organizations that let you adopt a red panda. The money you donate goes towards looking after one of these amazing animals. Time won't wait for the red panda. Let's act now to ensure that this adorable creature survives.